done that deserves to be in jail? What did he do? What did he do to put it? This woman put the whole nation at risk. So you tell me why she shouldn't be in jail. Give me a reason why she should be in jail. Or why that man should be. You know what she regularly uses? You know what the ex-cook says that used to serve her? The sous chef for the she regularly used the word nigger. She said make that nigger and tell that nigger regularly. Yeah, this bitch. This man got the Jesse Jackson Award for racial harmony. Nobody called him a racist until he started running for president. He took Palm Springs to court 30 years ago when he put his clubs in Palm Springs and they wouldn't allow Jews and blacks. He said, screw you, I'm taking you to court. Anybody can join my clubs. That was 30 years ago. But he's supposed to be a racist and this woman goes around and calls them niggers? Wake up, you son of bitches, man. Wake up, you're being lied to. Somebody's got to say it.